My name is Connie, and I have worn hearing aids for over 11 years. And I had a pair of hearing aids that were 11 years old and they were still working, but not quite as well. So I felt like I needed to replace them. And I was referred to Zip Hearing from a relative who had used Zip Hearing and was very pleased with the whole process. So I thought I'd check it out. I went onto their website, and then I called and was referred to a local audiologist to go in for a hearing exam, which I did. The local audiologist gave me a very thorough hearing test and exam. I was very pleased with that. He was very knowledgeable, very patient, answered all my questions. We sat down and looked at all the options that I had through Zip Hearing as far as replacing my old hearing aids. My old hearing aids were Oticons, and I decided, since they had worked so well, that I would stick with that brand, Oticon. Hope that's not okay. Oticon. I went with the Oticon Intent to miniRITE. It's very similar in size to what I had and functions. The domes are improved. The domes only have to be replaced every 3 months, and they have the ability to somehow enhance the hearing, the whole hearing process, these particular domes that I have. This has all the bells and whistles if you want to use them, Bluetooth and all that, so that's a plus there. These are rechargeable. My old ones had replaceable batteries that I replaced every week. The recharging unit is small. I was kind of concerned about the size of it because of travel, but it is small. It would be very easy to pack, and you just place the hearing aids in there at night and they recharge. The battery never goes dead during the day, so they last a long time. I was very pleased with the whole process. It was very easy. The people were very knowledgeable. I would highly recommend that you check out Zip Hearing. I would say I would highly recommend that you have confidence in the local audiologist that they refer you to. I couldn't be more pleased with the one I had, and the value of the hearing aid, what you would pay through your doctor's office, it's not comparable. So I would highly recommend you check out Zip Hearing for your next hearing aid. Thank you.